Hello students, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine and well. And welcome back to your next English class. This is your Nupur ma'am. And the last few days I have given you about description about the models, and I have given you lots of practice work on models, right? So I think you have understood those, and definitely you have done all the homework, and I'm waiting for your answers, right? And I will continue those practice work again, but before that I want to start a new lesson on grammar. Okay, and then I will continue both of this. After this lesson over, I will continue both of this. I will give you a practice work by mixing both of them, right? Okay, so today I want to start a new lesson, determiners. I think you are very much well known with this word, and you know what is determiner. I think you know. So, but if you don't, then it's okay. Then I'm just giving examples. Actually, determiners are special kinds of adjectives. I think you know the adjective. What is adjective? Which word just modify, just say about the quality of the noun, pronoun, right? And quality means good quality, bad quality, each and everything. So that is called adjective. Determiners are also special kinds of adjectives. Okay. You can see the definitions I have written here in a short way. Determiners qualify the nouns that follow. Okay, determiners, what did they do? Determiners just follow the noun and qualify that. Okay, they point out the noun. They just point out only noun. They just follow the noun. They are just sitting before the noun and they follow the noun, and they qualify the nouns only, and they point out the noun only. Okay, in bracket there is some line. Determiners are used with countable and uncountable nouns to limit their meaning also. Okay, and it is written here that they are special kinds of adjectives. So determiners are the special kinds of adjective which qualify the nouns that follow. See the examples. Like my uncle. See here, uncle is a noun in this short way, right? And my, this word is just sitting before the noun. Now you are telling, ma'am, this is also pronoun. My is also pronoun. Yes, of course. In sometimes is a meaning it is pronoun also, but sometimes you will get this type of special adjective which follow the noun, and they point out the noun. They point out only noun. Okay. See, my uncle, whose uncle? My uncle. So you can understand it is pointing to the uncle by this word, my. Okay. Next, the best students. Best students. These are the determiners here. Okay. These are the determiners here. Best students. This is also a noun. And this word, this is, you will say yes, article. Yes, this is one article also, and this is determiner also, because it is just qualify the noun and it is following the noun. It is pointing out the noun. So it is determiner here. Okay. Next, every house. Okay. Suppose you are telling every house. A house is a noun. Every, this word is just sitting before the noun and it is pointing out this noun. Similarly, next, that book, you are pointing out, someone is giving point out that yes, that book is mine. Okay. Next, some files, the quantity, you can understand, some files. So all the words are sitting before the noun, and those are following this noun and qualify the nouns and point out also only those nouns. Okay, so these are called determiners. So determiners qualify the nouns only that follow, and they point out the noun Okay, and actually these are the special kinds of adjectives. Okay, see, now I have given the kinds of determiners. There are how many kinds of determiners? There are 6 kinds of determiners. Okay. First of all, demonstrative. Demonstrative means you can understand to point out particular someone, like this, that, those, these, right? I have written here this, that, these, those. Okay, before that I am telling you the names. So, kinds of determiners. First is demonstratives. Next one, possessives. Next one, distributives. Next one, quantifiers. Quantifiers means it is a adjective of quantity and numbers. Next, interrogative. Next, articles. Okay. Next, come to the first section, like demonstrative. These, that, these, those. You can understand by these words you are demonstrate something else. This is the best book on mathematics. You are telling some book that is a particularly word. Demonstrative means you are telling something particularly, right? You are mentioning some particular book, or you are mentioning some particular thing. See, this book is the best book on mathematics. You are pointing out one book. There are so many books in a table, and you are pointing out only one book. This book is the best book on mathematics. So you can understand what is demonstrative. Next, these dresses belong to a very famous film star. Means there are so many dresses, and particular some dresses which are belonging to a very famous film star. You are pointing out those. Demonstrative means what? You are by some words. You are pointing out some particular thing. You are mentioning some particular thing. And you can think, you can see one thing. This is this. This is these. This word is used before singular word, means a singular noun, and this word is used before plural noun. Okay, this is the difference, nothing else. And for the nearest thing, you can tell this, and for the little bit far, that you can say that is a bird, that is a bird, look, that is a bird. Okay, and that is also singular word, those is also plural word. Okay, I think you know very well. So this is demonstratives. Next one, possessives. My, our, your, his, her, its, their. You can understand possessive means you are showing one ownership, right? I think, suppose you are telling this is my house, not any others, this is my house. You are showing your possessiveness, your ownership. Our, your, oh, this is, yes, this is his pen, this is your pen, this is her pen. Okay, so possessive means you can understand there is a ownership. You are showing your ownership on this particular thing, on some particular thing, not only all the things, on some particular thing you are showing your ownership. That is called possessives. Okay, these are the examples of determiners. Next, distributives. Either, neither, each, every. There is a distribution. Suppose there are so many products and you are telling either, you can take either it or it. That means there is a distribution, right? So these are the examples of distributives, determiners. Next, quantifiers. Quantifiers means, I told you, adjective of quantity and number, where you can see the quantity, countable noun, uncountable noun, quantity, some quantity and number also. Suppose example, some, any, much, many, several, little, a little, the little, few, a few, the few, both, all, a lot of, lots of, a large number of, a great deal of, a good deal of. So you can understand all the words are showing some quantity. Some, there is a quantity. Any, there is a number. Much, quantity. Many, quantity. Several, that means you can understand there is a quantity or suppose a number. Okay, so that is called quantifiers. These are also some determiners which shows the quantity of some nouns. Suppose you are telling there is a little bit water in this bottle. That means you are mentioning the quantity of the water in that bottle. I hope you can understand. If you can't, if you have any problem to understand anywhere, you can ask me in comment box, or you can ask me in Zoom class also, right? Okay. Next, interrogative. So you can understand which words mention the question mark. Mention some question, by which word you can ask some question, like what, which, whose. These are the interrogative words. So you can understand by these words you can ask some particular thing. Let's see. Determiners are like that. Okay. What is your favorite color? That means you have one favorite color most. So you are mentioning about that color. What is your? So you are asking a question by these determiners. Right? Okay. Next question. Articles. Sorry. Next question. Not next division. Articles. Articles are also determiners because it is also qualify any noun and that follow a noun. Suppose you are telling a boy, a and the, you know which are the articles. Suppose you are telling a boy. Boy is a noun, and before boy you are telling a boy, means there is, you are mentioning that boy, and you just point out that noun. Boy is a noun, so this word is following that noun and qualify that noun and point out that particular noun. So that is why it is determiner. So I hope you have understood. There are so many kinds of divisions, means kinds. So examples, please see the video properly. If you can't understand, see again and again, and if you then also, if there is any problem, you can ask me in comment box, or you can ask me in Zoom class, right? Okay, thank you so much. Please pause your video and you can write it down in your copy also for future help. Okay, so thank you so much. Keep watching my video. Wait for the next day. I will come back with some examples of the determiners, with the practice work of determiners for the next day. Okay, so till then, thank you so much, and bye bye. Have a nice day.